Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cooked my vegetable saffron rice. So guys, let's jump straight into the video. So over here I've got my pot on and I'm going to add some coconut oil to it. So yeah, I had some coconut oil to the pot. I'm going to allow that to melt before I add the rest of the ingredients. So yes guys, this is a nice, Caribbean vegetable rice, saffron rice, with some nice vegetables and all of that. So yeah, let's try the oil if it's hot. So now I'm gonna go ahead guys and I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna saute some garlic, and I don't want that to burn before I add the rest of the ingredients in. Yeah. So I'm gonna saute off this, guys. Not on a high heat. I want it as low as possible. And I'm gonna add some green onion, spring onion to that also. And I'm also gonna add some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper. Bring out the flavor. So I'm gonna saute all of this guys. So whenever I saute this guys, I'm gonna come back and then yeah, you will see the next step. Now that's all my season guys is all sauteed. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some pumpkin. Yeah, put some pumpkin in there. Some dry parsley. And a quarter teaspoon turmeric. I'm gonna combine all of this together. I'm gonna turn up the stove a bit, a medium heat, not high heat. Okay. The parsley guys, let's bring out the flavor in the rice. Yep. So I'm gonna allow that to cook for like 2 minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a quarter teaspoon of salt, and I'm also gonna add some okra. Oh yeah. Combine it all together. This is a vegetable saffron okra rice guys. Yeah. You can use coconut milk to cook it, but I'm just gonna keeping it simple and use water. I won't be using no coconut milk, but feel free to go ahead and use the coconut milk guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep it simple, as I said. Smells so good guys. Yeah. Smells so nice. You want a nice shelly rice, right? Yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my rice in guys. It's already washed. So yeah, I'm gonna put my rice in. And combine everything together. Yes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some water to steam the rice. This is a nice, simple, easy saffron vegetable rice recipe. Yes, can go with anything. Have it with curry, anything guys. Feel free to go ahead and have it with what you want to have it with. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add some water. So guys, make sure you measure the water. You don't want to add too much water in there. I'm just using like 2 cups of water. It's best to add than subtract. Right? So yeah. Add about 3 cups of water, guys. And I'm gonna mix everything together now. That's the water is in. I'm gonna mix it all together. Give it a taste if you feel like to, but I'm not I know guys, I'm bad at tasting while cooking. I just cook and it comes out great. So yeah. Guys, look at that. Wow. Vegetable saffron okra rice. Oh my gosh, it looks so bomb. It looks good, right? Can't wait to taste this. Wow, I want to try this recipe in so while, guys, but didn't get the chance to do so. But now today I decided, yeah, I'm gonna make this. And here it is, cooking in my Dutch pot. When you see the Dutch pot come out, and it's a Jamaican thing, right? So yes. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna pop the lid on, and I'm gonna let my rice steam, and then yeah, I'm gonna take you along step by step as I go along. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. So now that my rice is steamed, guys, I took the lid off, and this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. Saffron vegetable rice with okra, pumpkin, and all of the good stuff. This is so good, guys. I can't wait to eat it. The lighting is a bit bad, guys, but yeah, maybe looks like this in camera, but no, it's totally different. So this is the final product, guys. Yeah, and I already give it a taste, guys, and it tastes so good. So guys, it's just a simple vegetable rice. I said you can add anything you want to add in there. It's up to you. So this is how I cooked my vegetable saffron, pumpkin, and okra rice. Yes, so nice. So guys, if you're new to this channel, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please turn your notification bell on so whenever I upload, guys, you won't miss the video. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one. I almost hit 200, guys. Let's get 200, please. 200 subscribers, or even 500 subscribers. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you make this rice, please drop me a comment down below and let me know how it tastes. But yeah, this is the finished product, and I can't wait to have it. Hi guys, welcome to the finished product, and this is how my vegetable saffron okra rice looked, and I'm having it with some chickpea and potato, some veggie salad, vegetable, avocado, and yeah, and this is my dinner after plating up. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. Let me get at least 200 likes for this video. 200. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever I upload you won't miss that. And I just want to say, go and big up on yourself, guys. Until next time, guys, bye. Thanks for watching, and I see you in my next upload. I'm going to go and big up on a nice clean self. Bye guys.